Welcome to Malama Beach Holiday Village in Protaras, Cyprus. In this walkthrough, I will take you on a journey through this hidden gem, highlighting its beauty, elegance, and the various amenities it has to offer. My tour will last approximately 7 minutes, showcasing the resort's stunning features and not so good ones. To the right of the entrance, you'll find the resort's restaurant. Here, guests can indulge in a variety of delicious dishes, from local Cypriot cuisine to international favorites. The restaurant offers a cozy ambiance with both indoor and outdoor seating, perfect for a relaxed dining experience. In addition to the buffet, there are cooking stations here to the right where you can order freshly prepared meals, which we really liked. This is highly recommended for a more personalized dining experience. Malama Beach Holiday Village offers a perfect blend of comfort and beauty. This beachfront resort boasts beautifully landscaped gardens, quite modern accommodations with big balconies we liked, and top-notch amenities. The welcoming atmosphere and well-maintained surroundings set a good impression for the entire resort. The gardens immediately catch your eye, inviting you to explore further. As we stroll through the living blocks, you'll notice that each room and suite is designed with the guest's comfort in mind, featuring contemporary furnishings, spacious layouts, and private balconies with stunning views of the resort's gardens or the Mediterranean Sea. Unfortunately, I don't have video from inside the room, but trust me, they are quite good. Some are older, some are renovated with new design from what I saw. While Malama Beach Holiday Village is a paradise in itself, its prime location in Protaras, Cyprus, offers access to a wealth of nearby attractions and activities that can enrich your vacation experience. Just a 10-minute drive away, you'll find Fig Tree Bay, one of the most famous beaches in Cyprus. Known for its crystal clear waters and soft golden sands, it's a perfect spot for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports. The bay is also home to a small islet you can swim to and explore. A 15-minute drive will take you to Cape Greco National Forest Park, a natural reserve offering breathtaking coastal views, hiking trails, and opportunities for snorkeling and diving. The sea caves here are particularly popular and provide an excellent spot for adventurous exploration. Don't miss the iconic Blue Lagoon, where the waters are exceptionally clear and vibrant. Ideal for families, the Protaras Ocean Aquarium is just a 5-minute drive from the resort. It houses over 1,000 species of marine life, including fish, turtles, and even crocodiles. The aquarium's beautifully landscaped gardens and interactive exhibits make it a fun and educational outing for all ages. We now arrive at the pool area. As you can see, there are many sunbeds, but they are reserved for families with children only. If you are alone or a couple, you can only choose sunbeds farther away or near the bar, which are not as good. Each sunbed is reserved for a specific room, so you can just relax and know that your sunbed is waiting for you. The pool is surrounded by palm trees and sunbeds, offering a tranquil environment to unwind. There's also a children's pool and a poolside bar serving refreshing drinks and snacks. For more things to do, a 20-minute drive will bring you to the vibrant town of Ayia Napa, renowned for its lively nightlife, beautiful beaches, and historical sites. Visit the Ayia Napa Monastery, or Waterworld-themed water park, one of the largest in Europe. For a cultural and historical experience, visit the Church of Prophetisias, located just 10 minutes away. This small, charming church sits atop a hill, offering panoramic views of Protaras and the surrounding coastline. Another beautiful beach, Konos Bay, is only a 15-minute drive from the resort. This picturesque bay is nestled between rocky cliffs and offers calm, turquoise waters ideal for swimming and kayaking. As we explore further, we find another bar with more sunbeds, which are available for everyone, not just families. Unfortunately, the smoking area is nearby and sometimes smoke drifts into the non-smoking area. There are also tables for bar and snacks. I will now take a walk around and then head down to the beach. The surrounding nature trails are perfect for a leisurely hike with stunning sea views. Staying at Malama Beach Holiday Village not only provides you with a luxurious and relaxing base, but also places you in close proximity to some of Cyprus's most captivating attractions. Whether you're looking to explore natural wonders, family-friendly activities, or experience local culture, This resort has it all. Let's head to the beach now so I can show you its beauty. This area is more as a lagoon or bay, with calm waters that are perfect for relaxing, photography, and snorkeling. There's a small pathway here with a foot shower that leads directly to the beach. Finally, we reached the beautiful beach. The golden sands and crystal clear waters of the Mediterranean Sea provide the perfect backdrop for a relaxing day by the shore. Whether you're looking to swim, sunbathe, or take part in water sports, this small bay is just perfect. There's even parking and a restaurant nearby, and you can find some tours and excursions here. There's also a shower available. This bay is great for snorkeling, though it can get crowded. Luckily, you have your sunbeds at the hotel if you prefer not to stay on the beach. Note that the sunbeds on the beach are not from the hotel and cost. If you swim further or rent a jet ski, you will see the ghost town of Famagusta just around the corner, less than 2 kilometers away. So what do you think about Malama Beach Holiday Village? Please leave a comment and tell me, and if you like this video, then please subscribe too and check my other video for more interesting destinations. Have a great day and enjoy your stay.